Okay, I'm Shanae and I'm a hairstylist. I work in a salon. Wait, no, start again. Oh, okay. So I came to the £1 crash course and I thought, yeah, I want to be financially free and I want to quit my job. I want to start trading my time for money, basically. That's why I came. And yeah, so far it's been good.
Amazing. Let's dive into that. How have you found the last couple of days?
Amazing. I learned so much. Before I came here, I didn't even know what a lease option agreement was. And I didn't even know that you had to buy, refurbish, and then refinance and pull your money out. All this time, I've been thinking you buy a house, you fix it up, and then you just sell it. So yeah. The energy is amazing. I've met so many people, and even doing this right now, you're taking me out of my comfort zone. I'm very shy, and I don't like talking to new people. And since I've been here, I love it. I've spoken to so many people. I've taken people's numbers. That's very abnormal for me. I don't do that. If you're like me and you want to quit your job and you want to become financially free and you're interested in property, I would say give it a go. At least come to the £1 one and you'll probably end up like me and spend your 2,000 and end up here. Because I think between today and tomorrow, I probably will join the academy.